Hi, my name's Sophie. I'm the head of Medway, which is our junior school boarding house for years 7 and 8.
Hi, my name is Rumaysah and I'm the deputy head of Medway.
Come to our tour. So our first stop is the matron's office. This is where, hey guys, this is where you come if you need to have a chat with your matron, if you ever feel ill, if you ever need anything, matron's here. It's really great, we've got some nice pink chairs. And this is also where you hand in your devices at the end of the evening.
So this is the kitchen that the Medway kids have access to. The main thing they use this for is for Cheese Toasty Fridays, which used to be run by the matrons, but now the upper fourths have taken over.
Quite scary.
They make like over 50 toasties and they're quite good at it.
There's a lot of toasties being made on a Friday, definitely. This is the HM's office with the lovely HM and DHM in the office. What a treat. Say hi to David. He's a very important member of the Medway family. Your HM is somebody that kind of runs the house, keeps everything running smoothly, and is another great port of call if you ever need anything.
So Tessa, what are your favourite memories here?
Definitely during the summer term when Mrs. Salisbury would set up loads of fun activities for us, like slip and slides and cheese toasty nights with Rumaysah.
I definitely think my favourite memory from Medway is when we all slept down in the snug. It was like such a big sleepover and we all had so much fun. We watched movies, we ate popcorn.
This is our day room. We're very lucky to have this space. It just kind of acts as like a common area for all the girls to kind of sit in, chat, and it's just very, very recently been redone, hasn't it? So it's great. This is also where, very importantly, tuck boxes are kept. And yeah, it's a lovely, lovely common area. So this is an example of what a typical Medway dorm looks like. Every girl gets their own bed and cupboard and shelf space. And as you can see, everything's kind of personalised to fit the individual girl, and you can decorate your dorm however much or however little you want.
So this is the snug where the girls can come down, hang out, chill. There's lots of movie nights that happen here, but the main thing that happens is house order, which happens every Friday morning and Sunday evening, which is a chance for the house to kind of get together and to go through any notices and just to see how everybody's week's been.
Yeah, and this is also where the day students have a kind of personalised locker where they can keep any things that they need, as well as everybody gets their own bed as well. Libby, what do you think makes Medway special?
I think Medway is just full of energy and fun and everyone's just crazy and we have such a good time here.
I'd definitely say be yourself, because there's always someone to talk to, and just wherever you are, there's always a place for you in Medway because there's so many people. And don't be afraid to reach out if you have any problems or worries, because everyone's so welcoming.
So this is an example of a fourth dorm or a year 7 dorm. There's how many beds? 1, 2, 8 beds. And yeah, as you can see, lots of fun happens in here, and again, all of the personalised spaces. Yeah, it's a great dorm, I love it. So this is another upper fourths dorm, and as you can see, since Medway used to be a middle school house and was renovated into a junior school house, you can see that this actually used to be two dorms, and it's kind of come together and is now a 6th dorm, I think, which is really nice, and I quite like the layout because you've got a very open space in the middle, and yeah, this one's really nicely decorated. I like this one. Yeah.
What are some of the things that you think makes Medway special?
I think it's that everyone is together in one big house and you're not separated by layer, and everyone's just really inclusive and nice.
This is the Medway garden. It's particularly nice in the summer where the Medway girls can grow stuff and they can play things like swing ball and just general activities. And I remember, especially in the summer months, sometimes cheese toasties is done through the windows as if it's like a drive-through service, which is really exciting for the girls.
Yeah, and also as you can see, there are some nice, what are they called? Daffodils planted here. So yeah, I think it definitely changes with the seasons, but also this is a really nice space for the girls to kind of get some fresh air, play some games like swing ball, tag, I don't know, lots of fun games. And yeah, it's a really nice space, and we're lucky to have it. Thank you so much for watching our house tour. We hope you enjoyed it. Yeah.
Bye guys!